How's my light? I don't even have his other buddies out here. Alright, welcome to a robot adventures adventure. Dumbasses. Do not watch this. This is not made for you. This is made for people who like my videos or have a sense of humor. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm falling over. There you go. Alright, it's... What is today's date? This October 8th, 2023. Come back. Relax. I've been doing this since 2007, so this is what? 2007. So much different back then. Yeah, so today I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I've been working on. I got hooked. I think if you follow me on the Twitters, I want to keep calling it Twitter. I don't care if it's called X. One of my other hobbies I've spent thousands and thousands of hours on is this guy right here. Monster Hunter. And I picked up this guy right here at Universal Studios Japan when I went back in February, and it's pretty nice. I don't remember how much I paid for him, but he was the price of the souvenir popcorn yeah. This is what you can see. I don't know if you can see that in the shiny. All rights reserved, Universal Studios. It doesn't give me a date. Made in China. But yeah. He's a little cutie. Says right there on his name tag. Oh, that right there. Oi. There you go. Monster Hunter Studios Japan. So he's a Mr. Meow Meow. I'm gonna stand over here. Okay, he's cool. And I'm filming on my Google 7 Pro, so I can't show you my game progression other than screenshots. But what I wanted to talk about today is so many things have gone on. I don't even remember the last time I posted a video. I think it was about my bike. I got a whole bunch of stuff I wanted to post, but I just don't find time to edit it. Goodbye. Over 4,000 miles on the bike. Need to post about that. Yeah, my experience with the e-bikes. That's nice. And kind of related to that. What are you doing? How do you do with e-bike? Well, since I've been playing Monster Hunter now, I was like, well, I like that game too, so why don't I just make a little K-type cell phone strap showing my like for Monster Hunter now. I don't know if you can see that, but that's my this is my little cell phone strappy thing. All printed on my Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro, and it's got the little holes for the magnets. I haven't attached them yet, but that one right there. Now that's in a tri-colored filament with I think copper, black, and gold. And this one is in a blue, purple, and I forgot what the other color was. Copper or something like that. And you're looking at that, it's like, hey, what happened to England? It's like, oh shit, I forgot England. Sorry. But that was the first one. That was the first go. And I was like, okay, maybe I'll show you some clips of some photos of my Fusion 360. Then I scaled it up. And I was like, okay, chun. And I've already posted these on my Twitters. But yeah, I thought, if you're gonna go out monster hunting, why not advertise or something that like, hey, that guy's monster hunting, and you can, maybe you can read that right there. That says Kampai. That's my character's name. And down here on the bottom, it doesn't say anything. Oh no. But this one, I did attach the magnets. You can see upside down right there. It's upside down. Oh shit. Robot fell over. But it's okay because that detaches there to the two little magnets, and that's my character, Kampai 8461. Is that right? And here it's like, oh, well, that looks like the main logo thing, but it's that one comes apart there, and I like the shininess of that, and it's still got glue on there. I just haven't cleaned it up, but you can see the little tiny magnets there. And oh, you did put England in there. Oh, okay, that's England. This is that little smooshy thing right there. And yeah, I kind of did it off of the screen caps. Now, how I made this was, the backside is contoured so that you can place it onto its crystal, which also I did a little bit of patterning on the top layer. But that doesn't look like the crystal. But if I put it up here on the light, computer, turn off my room lights.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this. And then I do this. Oh, it goes in the dark. I left the TV on. Oh, it's a little bit of. Oh no. Oh no. It doesn't hold the glow that long. Computer, turn on my room lights.
Okay.
So that's that. Did put the little details on top. I did change that, but yeah, that was my big detachable metallic with a magnet one. And I was like, yeah, that's kind of fun. You can put little magnets in there, and if you walk around while you're monster hunting with this on, people can see your monster hunting. Maybe it's good. A little bit of crap on the backside there, so people can like, hey, let's monster hunt together. And I made this so that I could do but it works. You can have like $100, and it's but it doesn't stay on that well. There's your $100. That needs a little bit of revision. And then I was like, oh, that's kind of fun. I like that. And then I thought, well, you know what? I could spray paint these if I just printed them all in a just like a white or gray, and then get them ready for spray painting. Come by. So then I made this squishy version, or flat, smushy version. And this is just one solid PLA, and it's that thick. And I thought, oh, you know, maybe this would be easier for people just to print, and maybe if they knew how to use Fusion, they could put in their character name like a badge. Like, oh, you know, you can put that in. I'm coloring it right now with those acrylic markers in the background over there. And yeah, like these markers, I'm coloring it. So it's like, oh, you know, if you are a monster hunter, you know, Fifth Fleet. You know how those monster hunters are. All about their fleet. And boning, long-eared Wyverians. Like, oh, tap some of that shit. But yeah, I think you can, if you make something like that, you can like put a little wash into those eyes and kind of customize the paint job there. So it might be fun to get something like this and paint it up, and everybody could have their own you know, paint scheme or something like that. But yeah, there's a couple of things in the, maybe I'll extend this video to show you how I actually made it, but some of this stuff doesn't line up. So it looks like, oh, that looks like it, but in actual, the design wise, it doesn't line up. But that was the next one, And I kind of like these, and I think I'm gonna put this version up on Thingiverse, and just remove my ID, and then people can just have their own badge and paint it up and um, like hang it on their backpack, so when they go out monster hunting, people can see, oh, that guy's monster hunting. Okay. And I like that. It's like, okay, that's a nice little thing to, a solid, not in 3 pieces or more. And so I was like, okay, well, I'll make the small cell phone version of it, kind of like that. And you can hand paint that too. I haven't really gotten much into the details on this one, but yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Your badge. I didn't put my name in there because I put a little hole in there and a little hole in there so you can hang it off your phone. And I started painting it, but yeah. That was that one. And then finally, I thought, maybe if I went in with some cool, electronics, what if you're monster hunting at night? What are you going to do? So finally, I was prototyping this. So I want to have Monster Hunter in the background with a little light on it, and then so with the clear yellow, it would look something like, oh, if you had a little light and you switched it on, and then you like that. Oh, or maybe that would work as a night light or something. I have to paint this brown. They're like, oh, Monster Hunter now. I'm gonna do the other parts, but the problem is when you get to text at hand size, it's still too small. The stenciling is I think stenciling is probably the better way to go, but anything with that isn't stenciled, you get the issue of having circles and you have these interior parts that you can't get to because of the font. So that's one issue. I thought to make it really big, and then I can get, oh shit, it just went to, oh no, but it's just 11 now. But yeah, that's where we're at now. And finally, I want to talk about the new medals. I've got Jagras and Pookie Pookie and the Chicken Thief, the Egg Thief. Kulu. So yeah, I was thinking about making those into also some kind of medals or something. I think that'd be kind of fun to have little K-tie. I keep calling it K-tie. Cell phone or backpack straps. With your little medals and stuff like that. So that might be fun. All right. I don't know how much of the actual design I'm going to show you, but if you're interested in this stuff, I do this stuff all day at work. drawing stuff in CAD, but yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll talk to you guys later. Probably in the how-to video that's coming up next, or in another video. Kampai. Bye bye.